In a green forest, there lived a small rabbit named Coco. One day, dark clouds filled the sky and heavy rain started falling. The little animals became scared because the river was rising quickly. A baby squirrel cried, "Help! My brother is stuck near the river." The bigger animals were afraid to go close. But Coco the rabbit ran fast through the rain. He carefully pulled the baby squirrel away from the water and brought him back safely. All of us are safe because of Coco, the animals cheered. Being brave means helping others when they need you.